Do you want to write software in VS Code using your voice? With HeyCode voice commands, you can now talk to GitHub Co-pilot. Let's check it out. I'm over on the release notes in VS Code, and there's a section here called HeyCode voice command. And there's a new accessibility voice keyword activation setting and a bunch of options for starting chats in different contexts. What I think we can do is set up a couple of keyboard shortcuts to both start and stop our chat sessions. The way it'll work is you'll be able to say what you want into a chat session, and what you're going to need to access this new capability is GitHub Copilot Chat and VS Code Speech. We'll head over to our extensions and make sure that GitHub Copilot Chat is installed. We'll also enable the VS Code Speech extension. Reading the Getting Started on VS Code Speech, I've already got GitHub Copilot installed. Now there's a couple of keyboard shortcuts. We'll just copy that, press Command-Shift-P in my case, I'm on a Mac, and we can open up the settings for keyboard shortcuts. Should be able to paste that in just there, put a little comma here, and we'll hit save. Let's create a little program that we can run from the command line, and we'll do that by pressing Command U and then talk about what we need. Pressing Command U. Can you create a program in JavaScript, comma, I would like it to run from Node, and I would like it to say hello world, and I would like world to be in the color red. I've pressed enter. It's just thinking at the moment. Now it's done what I want, but there's a dependency, and I think we could do it without dependencies, so we'll press Command U. Can you rewrite this without dependencies on external packages? Can we just use color codes that will work on the console? And then I pressed Command U to stop it listening, and it's going ahead and rewriting the code for us. So we've got some codes. Let's go and click on this, and we'll just paste it in right here. We'll close the window down, and let's just see what happens if we run it. We've got hello world. I certainly like this capability that's been added. I look forward to writing more code using just my voice. If you're looking for videos on automation through ChatGPT, then like and subscribe. I'm AppyDave, and I'm in the middle of doing a course on all the OpenAI endpoints. See you in the next video.